things, but I could not go there. So वो मैंने एक situation लिखाई थी कि that road was the road to success, and I have been behind that jail, behind that society का jail, and through that also, that through that terrace of mine, through that gallery, I could see a university which I described as Harvard. So I was like, my entire point was that I need to like break through these rods, and I need to get to the road to success to get through Harvard. तो मेरा ये था, थोड़ा सा मैंने women empowerment पे बात की थी अपने ऐसे में, but the creative side was that मैंने अपनी पेंटिंग को एक उसमें ड्राइंग में वो सॉरी एक वर्ड्स में लाइक डिस्क्राइब किया था, एंड देन आई टोल्ड कि हाउ women empowerment and how I've broken through like things, and मैंने अपने आप को किस तरह से प्रेजेंट किया था. एंड फॉर द एक्टिविटी सेक्शन आई ट्राई टू कीप समथिंग लाइक अ होलिस्टिक प्रोफाइल कि ओ आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, आई हैव अ पर्सनालिटी, I don't say no to things. तो मैंने वो चीज दिखाई थी कि okay, I have been into sports, I have been into arts, I have been into student council, I had a distinction in A levels, तो मैंने वो दिखाया था, volunteering, and I was also learning like a couple of languages in my college. तो उस सब का एक holistic चीज मैंने दिखाई थी कि oh, I'm not just into academics, I'm also a part of a lot of other things besides academics. So I think that was something that stood out to them. It's not just oh, I have like a decent GPA. That's not just end of my world. It's also beyond that. So I think
हाँ.
these are some things that I put it in my application, and that probably like had why do you want to go to the US for a
Nice.
part?
Um.
Acha,
Okay. Wait. Can I? I'm sorry, I'm interrupting you, Sana.
continue.
Can you all hear me though? मैं बीच में भाग गई थी और मेरा इंटरनेट बहुत खराब चल रहा था. Okay,
हाँ.
yes. अच्छा. uh, अच्छा, तो I'm very glad कि you specified कि what you put in your SOP and all of that. And that was, I hope कि audience को उससे बहुत कुछ अच्छा सीखने को मिला होगा. तो but ये है कि we're gonna move progressively in a way so that it's not overwhelming for all of you. So I think, Sana, now that you've talked on the SOP, before we move on to the before we move on to the activities section, I also think कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग भी हैं जिन्हें जिन्हें ये भी नहीं पता कि UGRAD प्रोग्राम है क्या. तो यहाँ पे ओके, सो जो हमारे पास रजिस्ट्रेशन रिसीव हुई थी, they were from like 5 different institutes in Karachi and also outside of Karachi. And I'm pretty sure वहाँ पे लोगों ने ये भी लिखा हुआ था कि I don't know about UGRAD, I need to know about the application process. So let me just give you a little bit of a brief about what Global UGRAD program is, and then we can move on to Sana's experience, Aisha's experience, and Rahim will be joining us in a bit. Okay, so as you can see, I hope you can see on the screen, Global UGRAD program is kind of like a fully funded semester exchange program in the US. And if my voice starts lagging again, feel free to interrupt me and move on because my internet is so bad. Anyways, so fully funded semester exchange program hai, and I'm wanting to specify the word fully funded here because a lot of you guys, when you filled out the registration forms, a lot of you said, is this program actually fully funded? How much are we going to have to spend in order to go to the US? Yeah, अगर हम select हो जाते हैं तो हमें total कितना खर्चा आएगा and all of that. So I just want to make one point very clear कि this is fully funded. You don't need to specify anything. Specify क्या? You don't need to pay them anything. It's like मतलब आपको ना लिटरली एयरपोर्ट पे रहने खाने पीने के भी पैसे मिल रहे होते हैं, आपकी फ्लाइट्स पेड होती हैं, और लाइक एवरी सिंगल थिंग, आपके स्टेज पेड होते हैं, आपका खाना पीना पेड होता है. यू डोंट हैव टू स्पेंड एनीथिंग, एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट आपको स्टाइपेंड भी मिल रहा होता है. तो द ओनली थिंग दैट यू स्पेंड ऑन इज बेसिकली वो कपड़े जो आप अपने लिए लेंगे यहाँ से वहां जाने के लिए. और अगर आपके पास कपड़े पड़े हुए हैं तो ऑनेस्टली जस्ट टेक दैट. Moving further, US Department of State and IREX ने fund करता है इसको. So you can see the credibility that is attached to this program. And this, of course, this is open to all Pakistani students who are in their sophomore, and I will encourage junior years as well. इस पे हम बाद में आते हैं कि उनकी requirements change हुई हैं and all of that. इस पे we'll get back on that. And also, I see a lot of questions in the chat. If you guys could just keep posting the questions, we will try and answer all of those questions by the end of this session. Okay, so you basically study a semester and in your desired field of study, and a lot of people asked in the forum that सबसे ज्यादा क्या चीज मैटर करती है, अगर मेरी लो जीपी हो तो क्या मैं जा पाऊंगा नहीं जा पाऊंगा। तो उसके लिए वी ऑल्सो वांट टू मेक दिस क्लियर कि हमारे जो एकेडमिक्स होते हैं, which is GPA and all of the coursework and all, एंड हमारे जो एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स होते हैं एंड वॉलंटियर वर्क, कम्युनिटी सर्विस एंड पर्सनल स्टेटमेंट, इन सबका इक्वल वेटेज होता है। तो इट्स नॉट लाइक कि कोई एक चीज है, इट्स नॉट लाइक कि कोई एक चीज है जो कि आपके चीज उसको अफेक्ट कर रही होती है। ऑल ऑफ द थिंग्स जो है इक्वली इक्वली मैटर करती है, आपकी प्रोफाइल बैलेंस होनी चाहिए। तो वी आल्सो गोना टॉक अबाउट कि आपकी प्रोफाइल कैसे बैलेंस होनी चाहिए and in a few minutes. So moving further, अब हम सारे kind of like we'll try and do like a discussion kind of thing with Sana and Aisha, and we're gonna wait for Rahim if he he had some other commitment, but he is gonna join inshallah. So what made us stand out? So we're gonna go back to Sana and we're gonna go back to Aisha. And Sana, what do you think कि आपकी application जो थी उसमें what was that one thing that made you stand out? I cannot hear you. Mic
Sorry.
mute.
So it was just not the high GPA that I had. It was also something outside the classroom that I was doing, including sports, societies, arts, drama, and all the other things.
Nice. So you're saying कि आपकी जो application में stand out चीज कही थी वो ये थी कि you are the jack of all trades.
More like.
Nice. Okay. And what about you, Aisha?
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you're
Yes.
audible.
Okay, so मेरी personal statement में the major thing that I did was basically write down my entire life stories and जो मेरा major struggle था like throughout my teenage years. That's what I
आवाज
talked
echo हो रही है.
about. Is it lagging?
Echo हो रही है.
Oh, wait.
But
Is it better now?
anyways, yeah.
Okay, so I basically talked about my struggle. तो उसमें I mentioned कि how I changed my school from a matric school to an O-level school. तो उसमें like it took me a long time to adjust into the new school. Also the curriculum was different. तो मुझे जो है ना I had to make space for myself. So I basically articulated the entire SOP over the fact कि how I made space for myself in a new place and how I discovered my identity, how I rediscovered my identity, because when you're shifting from one place to another, your entire world is shaking, right? And I'm also from a small place in the interior Sindh. I'm from a village in Larkana. तो मैंने उसका भी mention किया था that because I used to not move around a lot, but I used to visit a lot, so I grew up in two places. So that also played a part in how I felt a little out of place in my new school. So this entire experience of making place for myself and feeling almost lost and then regaining that confidence and having that character development basically showed them that I am a good fit for this, and once I go into to the US and I will be able to fit in and I will be able to make impact in the community.
Nice. Okay. What made you stand out in your profile was the fact that you were versatile in terms of not versatile exactly, but you could cope up with changing scenarios, right? Okay. So, अच्छा. Moreover, अब of course ये तो major चीजें हो गई हमारी SOP में से that made us stand out, right? What do you think about the GPA? What is a high GPA for you? Because I would say that a high GPA is something that is either 3.5 or above that, and even like a GPA above 3.0 is a good GPA.
I feel like GPA is important because it kind of shows how hardworking you are and how much dedication you put towards your academics. But at the same time, if you're just immersed into academics and you don't have that kind of personality outside of school, so that's also not a good thing for you. Like you need to be able to show them that you are good at academics, you care about the community, you are in a leader of some sort in your community, in school, like within your friend group or stuff like that. You have certain personality traits that they're looking for. So I think all of these things are important. Also, one thing that I feel like is very important is the uniqueness of your personality. You need to show them that you're not just like everyone else. You need to show them that you have a different mindset, you have a growth mindset, so that when you come back, you just don't go there for your own good. Like, you come back and you try to give give back to the community from what you've learned there.
सही है. And also इसकी बहुत बड़ी example ये है कि I don't do you guys know about Project Agahi? Anyone here who knows about Project Agahi? Nice. Okay. So Project Agahi की तरह, like, आप देख सकते हैं कि like all of the 4 people who were supposed to, including Rahim, who was supposed to be in this call, all of us started an initiative, a community development initiative, just after we got back from the US. And यही जो चीज थी, before we were even applying for the UGRAD, हम लोगों के दिमाग में ये चीज पहले से चल रही थी कि अगर हम इस एक्सपीरियंस से कुछ भी सीखते हैं, गेन करते हैं, तो वी गॉटा गिव बैक टू द कम्युनिटी. तो आई थिंक ये जो मोटिवेशन होती है ना, यू जस्ट नीड टू रिफ्लेक्ट दैट in your application, and that's going to help you stand out in many ways, because a lot of people just talk about themselves in the personal statement, in their application. So you also need to consider the fact कि भाई आप सोसाइटी को क्या contribute कर सकते हो. सही है. Moving further, अच्छा Sana, what do you think is a high GPA for you? Like what would you say कि एक कोई number जो कि you think कि high हो?
I think something above 3.5 and like 3.5 to 4, because हमारे बैच में everyone had like a very nice decent GPA, और ये था कि मतलब if you have like a relatively low GPA around 3.5 या उससे थोड़ा सा और नीचे, तो you should have like a good set of ECAs, and अगर आपकी high GPA and like also ECAs, and then you have like a very good shot at like getting into the program itself.
हाँ, लेकिन I also want to mention here कि भाई we also had like people in our batch जिनकी इतनी high GPA नहीं थी, but उनके extra curriculars बहुत awesome थे. तो भाई बहुत awesome मतलब कि they were in multiple leadership positions, और उन्होंने impactful काम किया हुआ था in terms of volunteer work. Like for example, like impactful काम किया हुआ था, as in like affecting people's lives वाला काम. तो I think high GPA is yes 3.5 plus, but इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि अगर आपकी GPA around 2.7 या 3.5 के between है, तो you don't stand a chance. बाकी इन लोगों को कोई GPA के as such cut off नहीं है, there is no cut off, but like a decent GPA is anything above 3.5 and plus, and a good GPA is anything above which is 3 plus. So if
Also,
you're below that, you sorry.
Also,
Yeah,
just to mention that it is okay even if you don't have like a very high GPA, you should just apply, because हम में से किसी को भी मिला था if we would get selected. It was just a random shot we were taking and we got lucky. So I mean everyone should apply, दुआ करो, and I'm pretty sure कुछ ना कुछ it will work out.
Yeah, inshallah. I hope. Okay, we're gonna move on to personal statement a little later, in the presentation. But anyways, just keep dropping the questions in. Okay, so one of the major things that I think कि हमें हमारी application process में stand out करा था, that was also clear goals. कि हमें actually करना क्या है US जाके, और ये it's very important to emphasize that in your personal statement as well, कि आप करना क्या चाह रहे हैं जाके. अगर if you just write the fact कि भाई मुझे experience मिलेगा, exposure मिलेगा and all of that, तो ये सब आपके बारे में बातें हैं. तो I mean one of the major thing that matters is कि आप वहां जाके क्या करना चाह रहे हैं. और मैंने example अगर मैं अपनी दूँ, तो I wrote the fact कि I wanna spread positivity, I wanna radiate positivity, and by that I also want to make a good impression of Pakistan in terms of the fact that we are positive people and that we can find solutions to anything. Yeah. Okay, do you guys want to add something onto it, Sana and Aisha?
I think I'm good.
Yep,
Aisha, do you want
same.
to say something about it? Okay. Okay, so I think we can move forward. Um, right. So general SOP guidance में um, I think इस पे हमने इतनी ज़्यादा बात कर भी ली है, but like if you guys want to summarize, Aisha, do you want if you want to summarize कि आपने SOP में basically लिखा क्या, impact क्या हुआ था in terms of कि जो बंदा SOP पढ़ रहा था उसको उसने आपको क्यों select किया? What do you think कि जिस बंदे ने आपको select किया क्यों select किया?
यार मेरी SOP में I feel like the major part was the story. जो I feel like they're looking majorly for leadership qualities, for the ability to give back to the community, and your academics. ठीक है, ये तीनों चीजें बहुत important है. And the way I wrote it in my story around by telling them कि I was trying to find my place, and within that story I incorporated all of these qualities. So I think that was like a good overview of my personality and how I'm able to grow through the situations, and not just give up and give up to my fate. So I think that was something that made me stand out. Nermeen, you're muted.
Okay. Okay, nice. Yeah. मैंने हेडफोन्स पहने हुए हैं तो वो जो मैं सुन रही हूँ ना वही माइक पे भी जा रहा है, तो दैट इज व्हाई इट्स echoing and I just forget to mute it. Anyways, चले general SOP guidance के बारे में, I think my take on that would be like everything that you write in your SOP, and if I just go back a little in the presentation, and if I go back to what made us stand out wali slide, so isme we've written this thing called a balance profile. So I think what matters the most in your SOP is कि how you connect the dots. आपने अपनी एक्टिविटी सेक्शन में जो लिखा हुआ है एंड वो वाली चीजें जो आपके लिए मैटर करती हैं, the things that you want to write in your SOP, all of them should connect. तो जैसे अब आयशा ने अपनी बात की थी, तो she told कि she kind of narrated a story in a way that helped the person who was reading it understand कि she finds it easy to I mean how she copes up with changing scenarios. So the way she would have connected it with why she wants to go to the US could be कि भाई उसने ये mention किया होगा कि um, like there's a vast difference between Pakistan and US, and जो transition यहाँ से वहाँ होगी उसके लिए she is well prepared, if that kind of makes sense. और जिस तरह मैंने ये yeah हाँ, तो जिस तरह मैंने अपनी एसओपी में ये डाला था, तो आई काइंड ऑफ लाइक रोट अबाउट पॉजिटिविटी. आई रोट अबाउट द फैक्ट कि भाई हाउ आई कैन क्या कहते हैं grasp positive scenarios from even negative things. तो उसमें I think I mentioned something about a trip to northern Pakistan and how I kind of like really appreciated the the positive people there, that even if they did not have like access to यू वांट टू टॉक इन उर्दू? ओके, हाँ हम लोग उर्दू में बात कर लेते हैं. अगर किसी को इससे मसला हो तो वो भी बता दे. एनीवेज, तो या तो मैंने अपनी प्रोफाइल में नॉर्दर्न पाकिस्तान के विजिट के बारे में लिखा था, व्हिच वाज, एंड उसके थ्रू आई वाज ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन टू द पर्सन हु वाज रीडिंग इट कि भाई I kind of like extract positivity out of even negative scenarios, and the way I did that, I did not only tell that, but I also showed that. And the way I did that was by stating कि even though जो northern Pakistan में लोग रहते हैं, they do not have access to proper facilities like a gas pipeline या something, और जिस जगह मैं गई थी उस जगह नहीं थे वो चीजें. So I stated that, and I told that I really liked how positive they were, and I tried to implement the same level of positivity in my life. तो और उसके बाद आई रोट के यूएस में मैं जाके इस चीज को कैसे यूज करूंगी, वो ऐसे यूज करूंगी कि आई वुड लाइक टू रेडिएट पॉजिटिविटी, बिकॉज आई नो कि भाई आपकी जो पर्सनालिटी होती है उससे यू कैन you have energies around you, you impose energies on people, and if you have a positive mindset, a positive energy, तो फिर आप वो दूसरों पे भी रेडिएट करेंगे. तो मैंने ये कहा था कि मैं वहाँ के लोगों में जाके पॉजिटिविटी रेडिएट करना चाह रही हूँ, एंड आई वांना टेल देम दैट पाकिस्तानी पीपल आर पॉजिटिव. Yeah. Okay, Sana, do you want to add on to it?
I think I already talked about my SOP in the start, but एक ये चीज़ है कि I wrote about women empowerment and my struggle story with the hijab, and it's something like a lot of people can write about and a lot of people relate to it. But I feel like the way I wrote it in a more descriptive and creative way is what made my SOP stand out. So it wasn't like, oh, I did something crazy in my life. It was just something how I presented it in a way.
Nice. Okay. Okay, so now let's move on to अगर आप सब लोगों ने अपनी एप्लीकेशन स्टार्ट की होगी, और अगर किसी ने नहीं स्टार्ट की ना, आई जस्ट वांट टू से कि भाई अभी भी 4 दिन बाकी हैं. आई रिमेम्बर मैंने अपनी एप्लीकेशन जो है ना, आई द वे आई कम्यूट टू माय यूनिवर्सिटी इज थ्रू पॉइंट सर्विस, और वो सुबह 7:30 बजे आ जाती है, एंड आई हैव टाइम फ्रॉम 7:30 to 8 या 8:15. मैंने अपना एक्टिविटी सेक्शन उस ड्यूरेशन में भरा था. तो अगर मैं कर सकती हूँ तो कोई भी कर सकता है विद इन 4 days. तो ये एक बहुत वो चीज़ है कि अगर किसी ने अपनी एप्लीकेशन स्टार्ट नहीं भी किया तो you still got time.
Also, two things.
Oh.
Also, two things. I also applied like on the very last day, but please make sure क्योंकि ना last day application बहुत glitch करती है, तो वो सबमिट नहीं होती है या आपकी ना चीज़ें मिसिंग हो जाती हैं एप्लीकेशन से. जस्ट ट्राई के पहले सबमिट कर दो एक दिन एटलीस्ट, बिकॉज एंड में मसला होता है.
Also, one thing I wanted to add about SOP itself was that whenever you're narrating experiences now, or you're talking about your leadership, yeah, your community service, make sure you're not just writing down like, oh, मैंने ये किया, मैंने ये किया. You should be able to narrate it like through an experience. With like, what I'm trying to say is that show the experience rather than telling them that I'm interested in this and this. If you're trying to say कि okay, I'm interested in this, उसके बजाय you can say कि I did this and this which relates to your interest, right?
Also, to add on that, तो volunteering वाला part दिखाने के लिए ना, people just mention, oh, I have volunteered like XYZ place, मैंने TCF में volunteer किया है या मैंने यहाँ पे volunteer किया है. Instead of writing that, tell about the impact that you created or the work that you've done and relate it to your personality. So that will show कि oh, आपने exactly अपने जो पर्सनालिटी है व्हाट्स इट अबाउट, बिकॉज आपकी जो वॉलंटियर वाली चीज़ है वो आपकी उसमें भी लिखा हुआ होगा, आपकी एक्टिविटीज में कहीं ना कहीं पे होगा या कहीं ना कहीं पे होगा, लेकिन द इम्पैक्ट दैट यू क्रिएटेड और द इम्पैक्ट दैट इट हैज क्रिएटेड अपॉन यू इज व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट इन द एसओपी इटसेल्फ.
यार द कोहेरेंस वाला पार्ट, द वे आई डिड इट वाज कि जब मैंने स्ट्रगल स्टोरी बताई थी ना अपनी, तो उसी के बीच में ही मैंने बोल दिया कि लाइक व्हाइल आई वाज स्ट्रगलिंग टू मेक माय प्लेस इन दिस न्यू स्कूल, तो लाइक बाय द एंड आई वाज एबल टू गेट इलेक्टेड एज द हेड गर्ल. ठीक है, अब मैंने ये नहीं बोला कि ओ आई एम अ लीडर. अब उसमें इनेटली पता चल रहा है कि व्हेन यू गेट इलेक्टेड एज अ हेड गर्ल, you have made space for yourself and you have become someone who everybody knows. So इसमें I didn't say कि oh I have leadership experience, I have this position, that position. I just वो story की flow में ही मैंने बता दिया कि oh I became elected as a head girl. So this is how you make up. You don't have to have like a story जिसमें हर चीज are you, but like try to find a way where you can fit all of these things in this way. Like you have to use your brain a little bit, थोड़ी brainstorming करनी पड़ेगी, थोड़ा आगे पीछे करना पड़ेगा. I'm not telling you to make up a story or something, but like, you know, find a way to string everything back together.
Right. अच्छा, Sana, can you tell a little more about कि आपने अपने एक्टिविटी सेक्शन में एक्चुअली डाला क्या था?
अच्छा, so basically for my activity section, I wrote about my student council. I was a part of student council in my school and college, तो मैंने वो mention किया था. Then I talked about my distinction in A levels, तो वो मैंने mention किया था. उसके अलावा I was learning 2 languages in my college वाला time, तो उसकी I had a certificate, तो मैंने वो mention की थी. and then I volunteered at TCF and in ICH. Wo I added it, and I was also part of 4 sports teams. So I added certificates of me winning a certain sport, like a certain match. Uska I wrote about it, and uske alawa I so basically I participated and not exactly won, but like had an ordinary mention about this art competition. So I also added that, and I was part of some a theater kind of thing. तो उसकी भी मेरे पास एक सर्टिफिकेट थी. It wasn't something like I won, but it's something I participated in. तो मैंने वो इसलिए mention की थी ताकि it gives like a holistic profile कि oh, I have like a personality who can adjust into a lot of areas.
Sahi.
And also
Nice.
society.
Nice. Okay. Aisha, can you tell a little about what you felt in activity section?
Okay, I'm gonna be honest. My ECAs were not that great. Like I didn't have like a list of ECAs. जो भी Sana ने mentioned. I just had a few things that I used to do in my free time. Matlab, like I was not big on societies वगैरह in college and even in university. I just did what I could. Like I didn't run after things. So my major thing in college was that I was part of the music society. I used to play guitar, और मैं 2-3 performances थी मेरी. I spoke about that, and I did a few online courses in Cedar ही. तो उसके certificate से मेरे पास I just added that. There was a French language का course था, एक online business का course था. And then IBA के अंदर I was part of some societies. I think public speaking as a management team member, which was nothing big, but just being a part of it. I put that. I put my experience as the head girl in school. What else? I think that was pretty much it.
आपने कहा इतने सारे नहीं है, फिर भी इतना सारा बता दिया.
No, girl. It was just random things. मतलब ये कोई वो नहीं था coherent.
हाँ.
I just randomly put anything
हाँ,
that I had done.
Yeah. So the point is कि I think अगर आपने कुछ meaningful किया हो ना, and मतलब अगर कुछ वो बहुत छोटी सी भी चीज हो, I think you should write that.
Yeah.
So like I think I got a lot of questions on my Instagram कि मेरे पास ये है, क्या मैं ये डाल दूं? तो like ये वाला जो क्वेश्चन है ना, ये आई थिंक आपको खुद से पूछना चाहिए कि सबसे पहले तो ये कि अगर कोई ऐसी चीजें हैं जो कि अगर आपके पास 10 चीजें हो रही हैं टोटल, तो फिर तो सारी डाल देनी चाहिए. If you have either 10 or less than 10 activities, then all of them should go in your activity section, because the more the merrier, I think.
Same. Also,
guys, you guys don't need. Oh, sorry.
Also, अगर आपकी ऐसी कोई चीज़ है जिसकी कोई सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है, तो एट द एंड देयर इज एन ऑप्शन टू ऐड एडिशनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स. तो आप एक पीडीएफ बनाओ, उसमें अपनी पिक्चर्स डालो. फॉर इंस्टेंस यू लाइक poetry or ghazal, or you like to do something which is like a hobby, for instance gardening, but obviously इसका कोई certificate नहीं है, तो just make a PDF or a Word document, उसमें pictures वगैरह डालो and then just put it in there as additional documents. और
yeah, guys, you guys don't need certificates, because the thing is they can check whether you've done it or not by just asking you in the interview. और अगर आपने वो नहीं किया होगा, you will not be able to talk about it and they will know. So just do put in everything that you have done actually, even if you don't have certificate for it. जैसे सना ने बोला, just make a PDF of all the certificates, और जिसका नहीं है उसकी pictures वगैरह डाल दो.
Also, एक और चीज, तो for instance, if you're mentioning XYZ thing in your activity section, try not to mention it in your SOP. Let's say there's this question, oh, you have volunteer work and you're mentioning it under the activity section, so volunteer work skip कर दो उस part से. And graphic designer है, portfolio है, add it. कुछ भी हो, just add it. मतलब ना ऐड करने से कुछ, मतलब ना ऐड करने से वो देख नहीं सकेंगे, ऐड करने से you won't have any harm. तो बस जो जिंदगी में जो किया सब ऐड कर दो.
Yes, जिंदगी में जो किया सब ऐड कर दो. बट अगर आपके पास जस्ट फॉर द पीपल हु हैव लाइक थिंग्स जो कि 10 से ज्यादा हो रही हैं, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आपने बहुत सारा कुछ कर लिया है, तो उसमें चूज द वंस दैट मैटर द मोस्ट टू यू. क्योंकि जो आप अपने एप्लीकेशन में लिखते हैं ना, वो इंटरव्यू में भी उसी के बारे में पूछते हैं. अब बेशक वो छोटी सी चीज हो या बहुत ही बड़ी चीज हो, तो अगर कोई ऐसी चीज होगी जो कि बहुत छोटी सी होगी और आपने बड़ा बना के पेश किया होगा ना, तो वो इंटरव्यू में उनको पता चल जाएगा। तो द पॉइंट इज कि एग्जैजरेट करें, दैट्स फाइन, बट लाइक ओवर एग्जैजरेशन ना हो, सो दैट के इंटरव्यू में कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि आप like they point it out and you don't show enough enthusiasm. So I think one of the major tips is that if you have more than 10 things, so weigh down on the top 10 things जो कि the ones that matter the most to you, um, so that it helps you in the क्या कहते हैं in the interview.
Also, जब
बाकी ये है कि
activities
for the हाँ
also जब
go ahead.
activities list कर रहे हो तो put the first one as the one जिसमें आपने सबसे ज्यादा impact create किया और या आपको लगता है ये सबसे ज्यादा बड़ी चीज की है मैंने, तो सबसे ऊपर डालना and इस तरह से like list it down.
Yeah. तो अच्छा, मैं अपना थोड़ा सा बता देती हूँ। मैंने वॉलंटियर वर्क में बेसिकली टीसीएफ के बागबान प्रोग्राम में आई वॉलंटियर, तो आई पुट दैट, बट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन सेक्शन आई डिड नॉट जस्ट पुट के आई वॉलंटियर्ड फॉर द टीसीएफ बागबान सेक्शन, आई रादर पुट के आई रेज दिस अमाउंट ऑफ फंड्स इन अ स्पैन ऑफ दिस पीरियड by collaborating with this amount of people, which was like I think around कोई 60,000 PKR रेस किए थे हमने, द होल टीम ने, मैंने अकेले नहीं किए थे, बट मैंने यही लिखा कि वर्क इन अ कोलैबोरेटिव एनवायरनमेंट टू रेज 60,000 Pakistani rupees for educating a classroom of people. Yeah, I think a classroom था या group of 6 people था, I don't know. Repeat. Do I repeat this? Sorry, but distracting हो रहा है. But anyways, I'll repeat it. मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि I volunteered for the TCF का बागबान program. And rather than in the description section, rather than putting कि भाई I volunteered here and it was an amazing experience or whatever, I wrote numbers. Okay, I helped. I worked in a team environment, helped raise around कोई 60,000 PKR, जो कि मैंने अकेले नहीं रेस किए थे, टीम के साथ किए थे, but I still wrote that, and funded education for I think it was like a group of 6 people. Yeah, I don't know. So yeah, I wrote this in there. और फिर volunteer work के लिए I think I was part of the community service society back in my high school, जिसका उन्होंने certificate उस वक्त तक मुझे नहीं दिया था, तो I put pictures in that in the attachment वाला section. फिर उसके बाद I think I participated in math competitions, so I put उसके certificates. And what else did I put? I was part of like a couple societies in my school. What kind of pictures? Basically like me doing the volunteer work. Like we had a visit to the school. Wait, nee, community service society ka, we had a visit to Orangi Town, Karachi for ration distribution. So I put a picture of that. Like with me standing with a few children. Yeah. And uske baad, I think that was there were a lot of things honestly, but like ऐसा नहीं था कि भाई like कोई बहुत ही amazing चीज कर ली हो. It was basically these kind of things and the way I presented them, which was in a positive way again. So that kind of like cohered with my SOP. I think videos जो है ना काफी लंबी हो जाती हैं in a way के I think आपकी जो maximum required file size है वो increase हो जाएगा. So I don't think you can add videos, but still you can try. Just try adding. Yeah.
A
Okay.
lot of other
Move.
questions as well. We can address them by the end, guys. Don't worry. बहुत सारे questions हैं शुरू से.
We can address at the end. Okay, so अब the most important thing is कि हमारे experience में, like in our experience, what exactly was UGRAD and how you can extract things out of those experiences to get an idea of what to expect. Because if I talk about myself, I watched a lot of YouTube videos that were made by people who went to the UGRAD and shared their experience. And that kind of helped me formulate my SOP in a way जो कि अलाइन करी थी विद व्हाट यूग्रैड वांट्स। तो अब जो हम बात करेंगे दैट विल बी आवर एक्सपीरियंस टू हेल्प यू गेट एन आइडिया ऑन व्हाट टू एक्सपेक्ट। तो सना, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, आपका यूग्रैड एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? अच्छा रहा, बुरा रहा, कैसा रहा? आपने वहाँ क्या क्या किया? एंड एंड आपके उस एक्सपीरियंस से बाकी लोग किस तरह सीख सकते हैं और क्या क्या वो चीज़ अपनी प्रोफाइल में ऐड कर सकते हैं टू टू इम्प्लाई कि भाई दे आर द राइट फिट फॉर दिस प्रोग्राम।
So the experience itself was literally a dream life, and I could go on and on and on about it the entire month and then not stop about it. But honestly, my experience, so I am someone who does not like change at all, not used to it, do not like it. And I was also crying on my first day in the US because I did not want to go to my college and I did not want to be alone because वापस से change होता और मुझे वापस से adulting करनी होती जो कि मेरी आदत नहीं थी because I have lived with my family and my parents have spoiled me kind of. तो मैं रो रही थी, everyone was dancing their hearts off at night और मैं रो रही थी कि यार ये क्या है, मुझे तो नहीं जाना. But I'm also someone who does not say no to things. So for someone who was crying on the first day, I ended up visiting 14 states in the US out of 51. And the entire experience के मतलब traveling, at least for me, हम लोग the max we do is in drive. उसके अलावा हम ना कभी बस में बैठे हैं, ना कभी हमने cities change की इस तरह से, ना कभी हम लोग ने independent life जी है, कभी dorm में नहीं रहे, कभी खुद से कुछ काम नहीं किया, खुद cook नहीं किया. And then the entire experience of like saying yes to things of say, matlab, I don't know how to swim, but I said yes to jumping in a lake. I don't know how to like I'm not really fond of like huge like heights, but I ended up skydiving. So it was just मुझे आता कुछ भी नहीं था और मुझसे कुछ भी होता नहीं था, but I said yes to every single thing. And that is probably the best thing कि अगर अच्छा मुझे for instance, I don't have money, I would be okay with sleeping at the airport. I would be okay with sleeping at the footpath. Someone, उसको जो मेरे दोस्त मुझे बर्गर कहते हैं, लेकिन I was okay with every single thing. फुटपाथ पे सो गए, बस स्टेशन पे सो गए, खाना नहीं खाया. I think it was more about saying yes to things, even though I'm a person who does not like change at all. लेकिन just because I have that, I was had the thing कि बस 4 महीने हैं, उसमें जिंदगी जीनी है और फिर वापस आ जाना है. उस 4 महीने में बस जो था वो I had to do it and I did it. And in almost all my trips, Nermeen was with me.
Even in the skydiving one.
Yeah.
We skydived together, jumped off the plane together. Anyways, okay, moving on to Aisha. Aisha, what do you think? Could you tell a little more about your experience in UGRAD? How was it? Was it good, bad? And how do you think कि आपके experience से लोग कुछ सीख सकते हैं अपनी application में डालने के लिए, या फिर ऐसी चीजें जो कि लोगों को अच्छी लगती हो करनी एंड UGRAD में आपने की हो एंड वो अपनी application में डाल सके कि भाई मुझे UGRAD से ये करना है?
Okay, so the major part for me in my UGRAD experience was the friendships that I made all over the world. Like I did not expect कि मेरी इतनी अच्छी bonding हो जाएगी from people with people from different backgrounds, and this is something that I did not mention in my SOP, but I feel like you should be open to talking to new people, talking about new perspectives, new like immersing yourself in new cultures, because it's so heartfelt and so profound, and I did not expect this to happen in the way that it did. But I want you guys to realize that this is a very profound experience, and you guys should be able to, talk about new perspectives, new culture, talk to people with different opinions and respect them, be tolerant of other people's religions and all of that stuff. So maybe you guys can speak about wanting to learn from new people, from their backgrounds and from different mindsets and all of that stuff. Also, second thing is about being versatile, being independent. If you can show in your SOPK you have the capability of navigating difficult situations on your own. Also, जब आप अकेले होते हो तो ज़्यादा चीज़ें आ जाती हैं जिसका कोई अता पता नहीं होता, फिर यू हैव टू नेविगेट, उसी वक्त आपको सोचना होता है कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना. तो इफ़ यू कैन शो दैट कि यू आर क्विक थिंकर, क्विक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर, या ऐसी कोई एक्सपीरियंस आपकी पास्ट में थी जिसमें आपने कोई मसला सॉल्व किया हो, एक न्यू पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आप ले आए हो, that would be very helpful as well, because you will be needing that a lot, especially if you're living alone in a new country.
Yes, thank you. Okay, so अब अगर मैं अपने experience के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताऊं तो my experience in UGrad was amazing, and it was full of adventure. Like हर दिन कुछ नया adventure होता था, because um, I am more of an adventurous person. Like I would rather cut down my sleep schedule to like 3 hours, uh, and meet three different groups of new people than sleep. So um, I think this was one of the major things जो कि मेरे UGrad experience ने मुझे दी, और it gave me exposure, because यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान में there are a lot of other factors that you need to take care of in order to explore things. मतलब आप यहाँ पे ऐਵੇਂ ही रात के 12 बजे you can't go to Makli Kabristan, because not because it's a Kabristan, but because it's unsafe, because it's an interior cell, right? तो इन द यूएस हमारे दिमाग में ना ये वाली चीज बहुत, इवन लाइक सिंस वी आर फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान, तो हमारे दिमाग में ये वाली चीज बिठाई गई है कि यूएस इज वेरी सेफ. तो वहां पे वी फेल्ट सेफ, इवन दो
But
इट्स नॉट.
It's not.
It's not, because me and Sana, we were on a trip, और हमारे कोई $1000 जो है ना कोई गाड़ी से ऐसी निकाल के ले गया था इन लॉस एंजलिस, एंड दैट्स व्हेन वी गॉट टू नो, ओ ये तो कराची वाला सीन है, बल्कि उससे बुरा सीन है. ठीक है, तो ये वाली एक चीज थी कि यहाँ पे ना व्हाट मैटर्स इज कि how you grasp the impact of things that the society is exerting on you. So one thing that helped me navigate through UGrad was my quality कि अगर कोई रैंडम बंदा ऐसे कह रहा है ना कि ये सेफ नहीं है, समथिंग नहीं है, तो मैं अपनी रिसर्च पहले करूंगी और उसको बिलीव बाद में करूंगी. तो ये वाली एक चीज है जो कि आई थिंक यू गाइस कैन मेंशन इन योर एसओपी, कि इफ यू गाइस कैन शो इट इन सम वे कि दूसरों के ओपिनियंस आप पे इतना असर्टिवली नहीं एक्ट करते, या फिर आप अपनी लाइफ को कॉन्शियसली चेंज करते हैं, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट अदर्स आर असर्टिंग ऑन यू, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट द मीडिया इज असर्टिंग ऑन यू. So I think this is one of the major things that you can, if you can show it in your SOP, or if this is important for you, you can write it in your SOP. So I think this will give a very positive impact on things. So I think we're a little short on time, because अभी हमें Q&A भी करना है. तो I hope कि आप लोग हमारे साथ like 10 minutes और stay कर सकें for the Q&A. And one last thing that I'm gonna add in terms of experience is कि as Sana mentioned कि both of us are very, and like all three of us, we're open to doing stuff. Like मतलब मुझे साइकिलिंग नहीं आती थी, सैन फ्रांसिस्को में ये लोग सब साइकिल कह रहे थे, एंड मैंने इन लोगों को तो कह दिया था कि हाँ मुझे आती है साइकिलिंग, सो दैट दे डोंट फील सेफ, दे फील सेफ अराउंड मी. बट मुझे साइकिलिंग नहीं आती थी, और मैं गिरी भी थी 2 दफा, और उसके बाद अभी तक मेरे घुटनों में दर्द होता है बिकॉज ऑफ दैट फॉल. बट इट्स ओके, इट गेव मी द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ माई लाइफ. So this is something that I did on UGrad, and this is something that you can write in your SOP that you wanna do. इसके बारे में नहीं लिखना कि भाई साइकिल कुछ नहीं आता and you'd be down, but इसके बारे में लिखना कि भाई you're open to new ideas, you're open to new experiences, and this is what matters to them, because UGrad was all about experiencing new things every day and meeting new people every day. Okay. You can make this dream come true, honestly, क्योंकि हम में इतना कोई खास है भी नहीं. So I think
Honestly,
दुआ
it's a
करनी
dream
चाहिए
life.
आपको.
It's a dream life.
It is a dream, yeah. Now when we look back, it is a dream. आपको ना अपनी give your best in your SOP, give your best in your activity section, give your best in your whole application, and then pray.
Can
Dua
we
is
start
very
the
important.
question?
Anyways, yes, let's start with question and answers. Okay. We can have Sheher Bano, if she's here with us, to read out the questions, and then we can answer one by one.
Yeah, sure. It was quite insightful. Thank you to the three of you. And
No
let's move
worries.
on to the chat section, because as I was seeing कि बहुत सारे questions आ रहे थे. People are really curious to know more. So let's
Okay,
start with this one.
एक second. Can I just interrupt you?
हाँ, yeah, sure.
I'm sorry. One of my old college friends, I think, is Aska Sadiq from Hybro. She's asking a question: suggestions for someone applying in their junior year. Uh,
You can.
I hope Aska, you're the same Aska that I'm thinking you are, and I'd love to meet you again. Uh, okay. Uh, इसके इसका मैं जवाब दे देती हूँ, which is a very important question actually. वो ये है कि अभी यूग्रेड ने अपने ना एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस में ये लिखा था कि people in their sophomore years should apply. Like you should go on your UGrad in your fifth or sixth semester. But if you're in your junior year, which is your fifth or sixth semester, तो तो जब आप UGrad के लिए select होंगे, you'll end up going in your seventh and eighth semester. So the thing is कि इवन दो उन्होंने अपनी एप्लीकेशन में लिखा हुआ है कि भाई नहीं लेते हम sophomores के या whatever, और ये इसी साल इन्होंने लगाई है restraint, but I think you should apply. Like whoever has texted me on this, in my personal opinion, they should definitely apply, because अगर उन लोगों को कोई ऐसा बंदा मिल रहा होगा ना जो उनके काम का होगा, they will definitely take them. Yeah. And then maybe you can mention in your application कि भाई I don't mind skipping, I don't mind a delay in my academic graduation to, because I think ये सबसे ज़्यादा important उनके लिए होता है कि कहीं उनकी graduation ना delay हो जाए. Anyway, I'm sorry I interrupted you, Shaharbana. We can move on.
नहीं, it's okay. Thank you for answering that. Let's move on to this one कि ये question बहुत दफा है कि आप सबने इतने सारे अपने experiences share किए and all of that. So how can we fit all of these points कि we have to share our experiences and certificates and all of that volunteer work into just 250 words? So do you have any opinions about that? कि कैसे सिर्फ 250 words में सबको हम sum कर दें? Like do we miss out on stuff, or do we just skip through the details and things?
Are you
Uh,
going?
no. You do you want to answer? I was just asking
Yeah.
if Sana or Aisha wants to answer.
I answer. तो अच्छा बेसिकली व्हाट यू कैन डू इज के जो एसओपी में मेंशन कर रहे हो वो एक्टिविटीज वाले सेक्शन में मेंशन नहीं करो, और जो एक्टिविटीज वाले सेक्शन में मेंशन कर रहे हो वो एसओपी में मेंशन नहीं करो. सो द एसओपीज आई नो फॉर फैक्ट इट्स जस्ट 250 वर्ड्स एंड सीम्स लाइक ओ अभी तो हम 5 सेंटेंसेस लिखेंगे एंड ओवर हो जाएगी. बट द थिंग इज राइट योर एंटायर एसओपी. मेरी एसओपी थी वाज फॉर 1000 वर्ड्स. फिर एवरी सिंगल डे आई वुड कट इट डाउन. अच्छा मैंने रीड वो मेरी एसओपी तैयार हो गई एंड एवरी सिंगल डे नहीं एवरी सिंगल मिनट आई वुड कट इट डाउन कि अच्छा अब ना ये वाला सेंटेंस इम्पैक्ट नहीं कर रहा, इससे मेरी कोई एसओपी में कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं आ रहा, या मेरी एसओपी में कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा कि वो मैंने कुछ क्रेजी किया है, तो आई वो मैंने सेंटेंस काट दिया. एंड कुछ जगह पे मेरी डिटेलिंग थोड़ी सी ऑफ हुई थी बिकॉज मैंने एडजेक्टिव्स डाले हुए थे या नरेशन डाली हुई थी, लेकिन लग रहा था कि हाँ अगर मैं एक वर्ड लिखूँ या मैं वही चीज 3 वर्ड्स में डिस्क्राइब करूँ तो वो सेम ही चीज है, तो मैंने वो फिर 2 वर्ड्स काट दिए. इस तरह राइट योर एसओपी ऑफ 700-800 वर्ड्स जितनी भी जा रही है लिख लो, एंड देन फिर एक सेंटेंस रीड करो एंड सी इज इट क्रिएटिंग एन इम्पैक्ट. इफ इट्स नॉट कट इट डाउन. एंड फॉर लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स पहले तो आप एसओपी में अपनी पर्सनालिटी लिखो, कोई भी अपनी अचीवमेंट्स नहीं डालना, उसमें अपनी पर्सनालिटी के बारे में लिखो. एक्टिविटीज में राइट योर मेजर अचीवमेंट्स एंड देन जो एडिशनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं उसमें राइट ऑल द थिंग्स दैट आर नॉट पार्ट ऑफ योर एक्टिविटीज एंड एसओपी. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको एडिशनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स अपलोड करने ही करने हैं, मैंने नहीं किए थे, लेकिन इफ यू वांट टू देन फिर बाकी चीज उसमें डालो, कोई पिक्चर्स हो, कोई एक्स्ट्रा चीज हो, कोई नॉन एकेडमिक एकेडमिक कुछ भी, फिर वो उसमें डालना. तो यू हैव लाइक स्पेस, लेकिन वो डिवाइडेड है 3 जगहों पे. उस तरह से यू कैन गो फॉरवर्ड विद योर एप्लीकेशन.
So, well,
So
this
guys,
does answer a lot of questions. Well, yes, do continue. Continue, please.
I was saying that with every sentence that you write in your SOP, make sure that it's communicating some sort of important stuff. Like if you're just writing, okay, oh, I want to go to the US because of exposure, 30,000 people are writing the same thing. Okay, so jo bhi sentence hai, make sure that it's specific, it's not general, and it's like communicating some sort of impact, something about your personality and something specific about you. Make sure nothing in your SOP is general.
Well, as I was saying कि इस क्वेश्चन से ना काफ़ी सारे इस तरह के क्वेश्चन आंसर हो गए कि हमने अपनी वॉलंटियर वर्क को ऐड करना है नहीं करना एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. तो देयर वाज दिस क्वेश्चन कि हम अगर वो चेंज कराना चाहें जो हमारा प्रोग्राम है, तो कैन वी डू दैट और डू वी हैव टू फॉलो द सेम वन कि जिसमें हम अपना अंडर ग्रेड कर रहे हैं?
Sana, you're mute.
sorry. So one of my friends, she's studying biotech, but she was studying international relations in the US. So you can like आप अपनी डिग्री चेंज करवा सकते हो, बट दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन इंटरेस्ट. अगर आप वो इंटरेस्ट को पोर्ट्रे कर सकते हो ना वे कि हाँ यू वांट टू लर्न समथिंग न्यू एंड यू वांट टू एक्सप्लोर अ न्यू लाइक फील्ड, तो आप उसको जरूर मेंशन कर सकते हो. और समवन डिड मेंशन कि अकाउंटिंग एंड फाइनेंस अगर बंदा पढ़ रहा है तो आप कौन सा वो डालो ऑप्शन. तो मैं एंड आयशा वी बोथ फ्रॉम अकाउंटिंग एंड फाइनेंस इन IBA. I chose accounting, Aisha chose finance. It was mainly based on our interest. मेरा उस वक्त इंटरेस्ट अकाउंटिंग में ज्यादा था, तो मैंने अकाउंटिंग चूज किया था. एंड आयशा chose finance. So we went, लेकिन हम लोग डिफरेंट डिग्रीज पे गए थे.
Also, when you're mentioning a different degree compared to what you're already studying, तो उसमें फिर आपकी SOP will be on that topic that you're trying to pursue. For example, हमारी जो दोस्त थी, she was studying biotech but she wanted to pursue international relations. तो उसने अपनी SOP में भी वैसे ही लिखा था कि I want to study international relations and this and this are the experiences that I've already done in relation with IR. तो उसने IR के around जो भी activities करी हुई थी outside of her academics, तो उसने वो mention करी थी अपनी SOP में.
Also, एक और आइडिया ये हो सकता है कि जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर पीपल हु आर इन टेक रिलेटेड डिग्रीज, जैसे मैं इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग कर रही हूँ, तो ऑल्दो मैंने तो इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग ही ऑप्ट किया था, बट आई थिंक आई नो समवन जिसने कंप्यूटर साइंस US में पढ़ी है ड्यूरिंग UGrad, एंड they mentioned in their SOP that they're wanting to study computer science and not electrical engineering के courses in the US because के US is a tech hub and it's advancing in computer science. And in Pakistan अगर compare करें तो although engineering field is very बहुत बड़ी grow की हुई है, but computer science is still under growth. तो yes there मतलब दोनों तकरीबन same ही है, but that guy showed their interest in the SOP कि भाई they're wanting to pursue computer science and they applied for computer science and they studied computer science. So that's not an issue. You just आपको बस अपने पता होना चाहिए कि like why you're wanting to change what you're wanting to change. Yeah.
सही. So अच्छा, one thing more कि because इस session में we have a lot of freshmen with us as well. So and they were asking a lot of questions कि like for our freshmen, do they have to wait till their sophomore year or should they apply? And about the courses कि like उनके बाद में वो compensate हो जाते, like the compulsory courses in the university. So did you guys face any problems like when you came back from UGrad? So your time there was it of any hindrance कि जो आपके यहाँ पे courses थे?
I can answer.
Majorly depends.
हाँ, okay, Aisha can answer.
This depends on the university you're in. Abhi, you can talk to them if you get selected. कि will you be willing to transfer the credits that I study there? अगर वो transfer कर देते हैं तो even if you get like 2 to 3 of your courses transferred, तो वो good scene हो जाएगा. And the rest you can make up in the later semesters because you will still have 2 more years, 1.5 years left. So you can take additional courses when you come back, or you can talk to them about just giving exams or reach some sort of conclusion with the admin. So I think it depends on your university solely.
Okay, well that explains. Achha, and what about freshmen? Like, should they apply this year or wait for their sophomore year?
They can't apply right now, but अगले साल apply करेंगे, but the entire process and the entire thing remains the same. Maybe they can start working on the application and the ECAs and everything right now and then apply it in their second year.
See, I think you guys explained it really well, and it covered a lot of what was going on in the chat section and the confusions people had. And I can't really find any new questions.
I'll go ahead.
तो covered it all.
एक क्वेश्चन है SOP रिव्यू का, we'll share emails. दूसरा क्वेश्चन है ग्रेजुएशन डिले, it depends on your university solely. तो यूजुअली ग्रेजुएशन डिले नहीं होती है, बट यू हैव टू कॉन्टैक्ट योर यूनिवर्सिटी अबाउट इट. टोफिल का एक्सपीरियंस इट्स वेरी इजी, इट्स बेसिक इंग्लिश, एंड हमारे ईयर में टोफिल था, बट आई थिंक आप लोग के साथ टोफिल या डुओलिंगो दोनों का ऑप्शन होता है, एंड इट्स वेरी इजी. बेसिक इंग्लिश दैट गेट्स यू थ्रू यूनिवर्सिटी इज ऑल्सो व्हाट दे आस्क फॉर यू, और उससे आपकी लाइक वो रुकता नहीं है अगर आपका जो भी स्कोर हो, बट जस्ट टू असेस कि आपको इंग्लिश का कोर्स लेना होगा यूएस में या नहीं लेना होगा. और ECS में आपका इम्पैक्ट ज़्यादा दिखाना है देन द पोजीशन. तो बल्कि दोनों चीजें दिखाना है, but impact is more effective than the position itself. And why do you want to go to the US? You have to be very specific in that. For instance, you like volunteering or teaching, तो उसमें आप बताओ you want to implement this जो education system in the US है वो पाकिस्तान में implement करना है, या you are into technology, so you mentioned कि US की जो technology है या जो entire hub है of the companies itself, it's more progressive than Pakistan itself, so that's why you want to go. या आप मतलब कोई भी चीज you want to do in the future is what you write कि आपको US इसलिए जाना है, you like meeting new people, you like making new friends, then tell about that. तो ये ना लिखना कि you want more exposure, you want more diversity, because everyone wants more exposure and everyone want more diversity, and that's what the US is about. What do you specifically want? उस exposure में exactly क्या चीज चाहिए is what you're supposed to mention in your SOP. और SOP review के लिए what is the next step after completing this form? आप form complete करोगे in January, they'll get back to you if you're selected as a principal candidate or an alternate candidate. Alternate is basically waitlisted. वेटलिस्ट को ये लोग अल्टरनेट कहते हैं. प्रिंसिपल में आपको बताएंगे अच्छा आप स्प्रिंग में जा रहे हो या फॉल में जा रहे हो, एंड देन देयर इज अ प्रोसेस. नहीं, उससे पहले इंटरव्यू होगा. वो इंटरव्यू आपका इन पर्सन होता है. फिर आपको बताएंगे कि अच्छा आप सिलेक्ट हो गए हो अराउंड फेब मार्च तक. उसके बाद आपका टोफिल और डुओलिंगो वाली चीज होती है. फिर आपका वीजा लगता है. फिर आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी प्लेसमेंट होती है. दैट्स लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग, बट इट्स बिल्कुल बाद में, इट्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग. बट उसके बारे में अभी नहीं फिक्र करो. इट्स मोर अबाउट द एप्लीकेशन इटसेल्फ राइट नाउ. और हॉस्टलाइट लाइफ.
Somebody mentioned if they want to if they can add their experience as an hostelite, so you can surely add anything you want. The part-time job that you did, the hostel life, if you can incorporate in your story, and if it's in some way it's adding to your argument, if it's trying to show your personality, so you can add anything that you want. If you want to tell them that I have experience living independently through hostel life, then sure, go ahead. It should fit in your SOP is what I'm trying to say. Anything that you add.
Also, if you have taken a gap year and if you want to mention it in your SOP, write about it. कुछ भी अपनी life के बारे में as part of your personality, what has changed is what's supposed to write in the SOP. अब वो hostelite life हो, changing cities हो, growing up in a military background and changing cities or whatever, कोई health condition हो, कुछ अच्छी चीज हो, anything you can mention in your SOP.
No, it's not necessary, but I feel like that's the best way of showing your personality. अगर आप किसी और structure के through अपनी personality show कर सकते हो, that's even better, because you don't have to stick to one structure that everybody else wrote. You just have to be as unique as possible, and if you feel like you have a better structure that can show your personality better, then go ahead.
So, well, let me just ask you one last question to make it easier for everybody. If you could summarize your whole UGrad experience, अच्छा application वाले से हट के, how would you summarize it into like 3 words? Just give me any 3 words. इसमें you would summarize your UGrad experience. Yes, it's already 8 then. So, what would you say about?
Who's going first?
3 words तो कम है.
Life changing.
Amazing, amazing, and amazing.
For real.
Wow, Rahim is here. Hi, Rahim.
Transformative, life-changing, eye-opening.
Adventurous. Freedom. Independence.
Independence, freedom, life.
The liberty to go out at 12 and change cities.
Yeah.
And like, I don't even recognize myself the way I was before.
Because we all changed physically.
Physically and mentally.
Yeah. But anyways, it was really amazing, the whole experience. Or life after UGrad, someone wrote in the chat, life after UGrad, terrible.
Sad.
No.
Sad.
I feel like it's better compared to when we left. मतलब उस
Okay,
वक्त से
yeah,
तो
compare.
That is very true. That's true.
है ना?
Huh, that's true. But like, you know, when you see the whole Azadi thing and then you come back and then you're not even, you know, like you have to tell 3 people before you're going out, compared to Udhar where you could just go out at any time you want. So it's a little difficult.
Yeah, I understand, but I feel like the perspective change was like long lasting.
Yeah,
The mindset shift, it lasted a long time, and it will like for the rest of my life.
yeah. Okay. Shaharbana, do you wanna do the closing note?
Yes, we can go for the closing note right now. Well, thank you so much, Sana, Rahim, Narmeen, and Aisha. It was quite insightful, and I really hope कि जितने भी हमारे आज attendees थे जिन्होंने आज WIE का session attend किया, so उन सबको बहुत informative और उनके लिए बहुत impactful और अच्छा रहा होगा. I hope you guys learned a lot from our 4 UGrad alumni, and इसके अलावा I just want to thank you for your time and for helping us out. I really hope कि जिसने भी ये अपनी application form की attend किया, I really hope you guys succeed और इंशाल्लाह पाकिस्तान से और भी बहुत सारे लोग UGrad के alumni बने इंशाल्लाह next year जब हमारे juniors ये वाला session कर रहे हो. So I hope I can invite a lot of you guys to be the UGrad alumni. Well, on that note, let us just
Inshallah.
take a group picture. So जो भी अपनी on कर सकता है cameras, so please turn on your cameras ताकि हम एक group picture ले लें and we'll just post it on the WIE Instagram page. And you guys make sure to follow us on Instagram and stuff. So let us just कोई बात नहीं. Well, let us just take a picture.
जिंदगी की डार्कनेस में या फिर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की डार्कनेस.
Question.
Anybody who wants to?
बस हो गया. अच्छा नहीं.
Let's wait a second. I think we are good to go. Thank you so much, everyone. Let us end our session. Thank you for your time. And inshallah, we'll meet some other way. See you then. Thank you for your time. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Thank you for joining, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.